Hi, my dear friends. Namaste, all of you. And today I came with a new series on interview sessions. That is, which I had faced in my life. And coming to the topic, today our topic is of part 2 in our interview series. That is civil engineering interview for freshers. That is entry level, friends. If you had missed part 1, please find the description below. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇప్పటివరకు ఎవరైతే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోలేదో ఈ రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని ప్రెస్ చేసి దాని పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్, సో దట్ మీకు నేను ఎప్పుడు ఏ వీడియో పెట్టినా ఫస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ అనేవి మీకే వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. సో ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ క్లియర్లీ, సో ఐ హ్యాడ్ టేకెన్ 2 characters ఫర్ ది ఈజీ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది కన్వర్జేషన్ డ్యూరింగ్ అన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. దే ఆర్ మిస్టర్ ఇంజనీర్ అండ్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూయర్. Interviewer asked the engineer, "Had you worked earlier?" Engineer replied, "No, sir. Recently I completed my graduation and this is my first interview I am attending, sir." Okay. Then the interviewer asked his first question, that is, "What is BBS?" Engineer replied, "Sir, BBS means bar bending schedule." And the interviewer asked his second question, "What is the length of the steel bar?" And the engineer said, "Sir, the length of the steel bar is 12 meters. It is as per the standard, sir." And the interviewer asked his third question, that is, "How to find out unit length of the steel bars?" And the engineer said, "Sir, it is calculated by using the formula d square by 162, where d is the diameter of the bar and the units are kg per meter." And the interviewer said, "Yeah, good." The interviewer asked his fourth question, that is, "Tell me the test conducted on cement in the laboratory." And the engineer said, "Sir, there are different types of tests conducted on cement in the laboratory. There are fineness test, consistency test, setting time test, strength test, soundness test, heat of hydration test, and tensile strength test, and chemical composition test. These are some of the important tests conducted on cement, sir." And coming to our fifth question, "What is the initial setting time of cement?" And the engineer said, "Sir, according to Vickers calculators, it is 30 minutes. Then the interviewer asked, "Why curing is required for cement?" And the engineer said, "Sir, curing plays an important role on strength development and durability of concrete. Properly cured concrete has an adequate amount of moisture for continued hydration and development of strength, volume stability, and resistance to freezing and thawing. The basic reaction is, sir, when the calcium, that is limestone contained in the cement, reacts with water, it forms a calcium hydroxide and it liberates heat. This heat is called a heat of hydration, sir." The interviewer asked his seventh question, "What is meant by workability of concrete?" And the engineer said, "Sir, workability of the concrete is the property of freshly mixed concrete which determines the ease and homogeneity with which it can be mixed, placed, and consolidated and finished." And the interviewer asked his eighth question, "What are the tests to be conducted to determine the workability of the concrete?" And the engineer said, "Sir, it is by slump cone test." And the interviewer asked, "What is the height of the slump cone?" And the engineer said, "Sir, it is 300 mm height, sir." And the interviewer asked, "What is the die of the rod which is used for the tampering of the concrete?" And the engineer said, "Sir, it is 16 mm dia rod which is used for the tampering of the concrete." And the interviewer asked his next question, that is 10th question, "What are the factors affecting workability of concrete?" And the engineer said, "The workability of the concrete depends on materials such as water content, cement content, sand, and aggregate properties such as size, shape, grading, mix design ratio, and the use of the admixtures. Sir, each and every process and materials involved in the concrete mixing affects the workability of the concrete, sir." And the interviewer asked his 11th question, "What is steel?" And the engineer answered, "Steel is a building material used for building structures. It is an alloy of iron and carbon. Generally, the carbon content ranges up to 2%, sir." And the interviewer asked his 12th question, "What are the available diameters of the steel?" And the engineer answered, "The available diameter of the steel are 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm, 32 mm, and 40 mm. And the interviewer asked his 13th question, "Okay, you know about the diameters. Do you remember what is TMT?" And the engineer answered, "TMT means thermomechanically treated bars. Why steel is only used in RCC? Why not other metals?" And the engineer answered, "Sir, steel is the only metal which have the coefficient of linear expansion of concrete is equal to the steel. Because of that property, The steel is used as a reinforcement in the RCC. And the interviewer said, "Dear engineer, you had answered all my questions confidently. You may leave for now. Thank you very much, sir." And here the interview has been completed, friends. And you have to get up from your chair with a sweet smile. Tell the interviewer that, "Thank you very much, sir," and give him a shaken if possible. And slowly turn out and come out, friends. And this is the process, friends. Here you have to consider that the interviewer will observe your way of walking and way of your presentation. Here some important things you have to consider, friends. Whenever you are opening the door and entering into the interviewer's room, he will observe the way of your opening and way of your walking and the way you are taking the permission to enter into the room. And he will cleanly observe, friends. Whenever you did any mistake, that will be encountered in his mind. Whenever you enter the room and you are asking to sit in your place, he will check whether you are having responsibility or not. And whenever you are talking with him and your explanation, friends, if you know about the concept, what he is asking the question, if at all what is steel, and he asked you, you have to answer. If you know, you will directly answer it, sir. Steel is a building material, and it is an alloy of iron and carbon, like that. And if you didn't know about steel, sir, steel is a structural material which is used for the construction of the RCC buildings, structures, and prefabricated structures, like that. Yeah, whatever you know, please try to elaborate it. Don't try to skip the questions, friends, because whenever you didn't know anything about that, please skip. Whenever you know something about that, try to elaborate that. You are conveying that you are having some knowledge and you are trying to elaborate it. So this will give a positive impression on you. Many of the interviews I had appeared are, I will do this thing only, friends, because everyone didn't know everything. Whatever you know, you have to convey that 100% to the interviewer so that he will get an impression, and the chances of getting your job is more, friends. And this is up to today's session, friends. This is Harish. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and comment in the comment section. Please share to your friends. And this is Harish signing off. Bye bye.